everybody, this is our 1953 GMC. It's running right now as we speak. This truck has been completely frame off, rotisserie restored, every nut and bolt, as you can see. Crazy amount of money spent on the restoration. Super nice, it's just sitting there humming. It's the original motor, straight six. The paint is crazy nice. They were never this nice from the factory. She runs and drives excellent. All the chrome, every piece of this thing has been restored. Lots and lots more money than what we're asking for it was spent. Beautiful oak wood bed, beautiful interior. Of course, with every car we sell, you get a New Testament Bible from the Gideons. Really, really nice truck. It's radio delete, but it's an automatic truck. And of course, automatic in 53 was extremely rare. It's a 5-window deluxe cab. And I mean, there's just not a piece of this truck that you can't eat off of and love and enjoy. Really nicely done. New Yokohama tires, 5 of them. All the glass, all the chrome, everything is brand new and everything works. She works so well. All new weather strip. There's your automatic, your gauges, headliner, even the sun visor. The paint is just miles deep. Drop dead gorgeous. Y'all check us out at redlinemusclecars.com. Your muscle car, classic car, and classic truck destination. 580-221-4326. Thanks, y'all. Have a blessed day.